Hello, here's the problem number 3, and in this problem we are given two strings. First string is the original string, which will be compared, and the second string we have to find if in particular rotation it will be equal to the first string. For example, if the input of a second string will be this one, and we check if the after two last substrings and the remaining substring of a given string will give us Amazon as an output and will be equal to the first string, which is also Amazon. And again, if our second string starting from the second index and remaining first substring, the appending will be also equal to Amazon. So like from the second it's AMS and after that it's Amazon. So here we will just check if all these substrings will give us Amazon at the end. So we will declare our function which will return a boolean, defining like if it's true or not. I will call it is rotated. The input will be string s1 and string s2, and at the beginning I will just check the lengths of two strings if they are equal to each other or not. So if they are not equal to each other, we'll just return false, remaining that indicating that even if we will rotate the second string, it will not give us the first string. And then we'll just declare variable of length which will be equal for any of given strings. After that we'll just declare another strings, like let's call it anti-clock, indicating that it will be like anti-clockwise rotation. So here we'll just take substring of a second string and here in our substring we will start our index from the length -2, because you see here we are starting our string from the from the last characters, like length just after 2 to the left, so -2, and with the number of characters that we will put here will be length minus length -2, and we will also add the remaining characters in the string. So we'll give just a substring from 0 and next all remaining characters. So here the length -2, it's just 6 minus 4, so 4 is the starting index, and 6 minus 4 will give us a 2. So starting from fourth index, the next two characters, plus 0, so plus substring from starting from 0 and next 4 characters. So it will give us, from here it will give us AM, and from here it will give us AZON, and at the end it should give us Amazon. And another rotation will be clockwise. I will call it clock rot, and here substring will be starting from second index and the all remaining, and substring from 0 and the next two characters. So after defining these variables, we'll just return the equation result. Like, we'll use equals built-in method. If first string is equal to anti-clock, or first string is equal to clock rotation. So in case it's equal, it will just return true. If it's not, it will just return false. So time complexity for this order of 1, so it's just a constant number of operations, and space is also order of 1 because we're just defining 1, 2 strings and one integer.